In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Beehiiv welcome email step by step. This is one of the most important things you can do when you're building an audience, because your welcome email is the very first message new subscribers receive. It helps you make a strong first impression, share what your newsletter is about, and guide readers toward the next action you want them to take. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left-hand side and click Settings. This is where Beehiiv keeps most of the important configuration options for your publication, including email settings, branding, and subscriber preferences. After that, click Emails. This will take you to the email settings area where you can manage preset emails and other email-related options. Now scroll down until you find the Preset Emails section. In this section, Beehiiv gives you access to built-in email types that you can customize. Look for Welcome Email. This is the automated email that gets sent when someone joins your list. So this is the one you want to configure first if you want to create a polished onboarding experience. Once you find Welcome Email, click View Welcome Email. That opens the current version of your welcome message, so you can see what is already there. From here, click Edit Email. This will open the editor where you can make the changes you want to the subject line, message content, call to action, formatting, or anything else that matches your brand and your newsletter style. Take your time here and make sure the email sounds like you. A good welcome email usually thanks the subscriber, tells them what kind of content to expect, and maybe points them to your best posts, social links, or most helpful resources. If you want to increase engagement, this is also a great place to tell people exactly what to do next, whether that's replying to the email, reading your latest post, or following you somewhere else. After you've made your edits, click Preview. This part is really important because it lets you check how the email will look before you activate it. Review the email on both desktop and mobile so you can make sure the layout looks clean, the text is easy to read, and nothing is cut off or misaligned. A welcome email should look professional on every device because many subscribers will open it on their phone first. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Save. That stores your changes inside Beehiiv, so your updated welcome email is ready to use. But we're not done yet because saving the email does not always mean it is fully turned on. Next, return to Settings, then click Emails again. Scroll back down to the Welcome Email section. Now look for the option that says Enable Welcome Email. Turn that setting on so Beehiiv will actually send the welcome message to new subscribers. Once you switch it on, confirm that the setting is enabled. This final check matters because you want to be absolutely sure your automation is live and working correctly. And that's it. You've now set up your Beehiiv welcome email. From this point on, every new subscriber can receive a professional first email automatically, without you having to send it manually. That means better onboarding, stronger engagement, and a much smoother experience for your audience. If this video helped you, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.